Oh yeah, it's time for Dexter's February 2022 Bark Box unboxing. He is so ready. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the theme of this box is so cute. Dexter always goes right for one of the toys. So this is Dexter's monthly toy and treat dog subscription box, and he loves the toys. You can see he pulled both of them out. He gets 2 toys in each of his monthly boxes, and the boxes are about $25 a month, but I have been getting it for a very long time. Over a year, like a year and a half, and it is awesome. So the toys are so cute, great quality. Let's get a closer look at the toys that he took out. What did you get there, honey? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. A little muffin cupcake, and then what's this one? Oh, like some cookies in a bag. I love this theme, the Valentine's Day and pink, which is so my style. I'm so excited about it. It's the Sweetie Pies Barkery theme. Oh, I love it. So then he also gets 1 chew in the boxes, and he likes these ones, the pumpkin and honey recipe small chews. He's gotten these maybe a couple times now. And then the 2 bags of treats, so gobble jerky bars. He definitely loves these. He's had these a bunch of times. And some Clucky Jerky Cuts chicken recipe. Very cute. So I love that they show all of the different options that could come in the box, because not all boxes are the same, and it's customized to the size of the dog. But oh my gosh, every single one of these is so cute. Like, look at these ones. Oh my gosh, the rosé. That is adorable. And here is Dexter with his toys. So I need to take the tags off. Looks like he already took off one of the tags so that he can play with it, but he is already loving them, and he just loves his monthly Bark Box. So if your dog gets Bark Box, let me know what your dog got in their box and what are their favorite Bark Box things. Dexter's is, well, he loves it all. I'm like, he loves all the treats, but I'm like, he always goes right for the toys, and he'll continue playing with them for months and months and months. So thank you so much for watching this quick unboxing. Dexter is such a fast unboxer. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in my next video.